chilly. Oh, I love these days. Beautiful January day. Look at the sky. Magnificent. The sun behind some clouds that are up at the mid-levels. And if you see, there's a little bit of, it almost looks like mist beneath the cloud. So that actually is snow coming out of the cloud base, but it's evaporating way up there. So no, it's not going to snow, but it is going to get cold tonight. Let's take a look at temperatures overnight and for the next couple of days. Sunday morning low temperatures. I mean, it's upper 30s, low 40s all around. I don't see any freezing temperatures, but it is going to be cold. This is Sunday, 7:30 in the morning. So these will be the overnight lows for Sunday morning. Now, for the marathon right in the heart of downtown, Urban Heat Island will have temperatures holding in the mid and lower 40s at 6 a.m., 49 by 8 a.m., 52 by 10, 57 as the marathon comes to an end. A little bit of sunshine comes out, so it's looking good for the marathon. There may still be a light north breeze at 5 to 10 miles an hour at times for the runners. Sunshine gives us a high in the low 60s tomorrow. Beautiful weather next week. Enjoy the chilly weather that's arrived, everybody.